Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm with the AirPods 3 and I'll show you how to use the touch control panels. I'm going to put one AirPod in and cover the sensor and show you how great this touch control works. Currently on YouTube, to play music, just press once right here. The music starts playing. To pause, just click once more. Click and hold to turn on Siri. For example, say, Siri, play music. Siri works with the AirPods. Another option is double tap to skip to the next song. Triple tap to go to the previous song. So, double tap for next song, triple tap for previous, single tap to play or pause, and click and hold for Siri. If you found this video helpful, remember leave a like, comment, and subscribe.